down the road here with this crosswind. We'll climb up Midway. Short little climb, finish it off for the day. Love the view from the top of this one. Take a lot of pictures up here. Kind of in summer though, it's a hazard descending quite fast because of the gophers. There's one right there. They try and run through your tires. They don't mix well with bladed spokes. Just went over the 55-mile mark for the day. It's a good day on the bike. Not too hot. Just wish this wind would back off a little. Kick. Shut down. That's what I've been working with all day. Get double points for this one. Double credit, I guess. Pass in the Altamont foothills. It's a blessing to have this in my backyard. A couple years back, there was an ostrich stream in this field over here. Someone raised them locally, and it's this odd thing to come along and all of a sudden you see an ostrich. Well, thanks for coming along today. We'll see you on down the road.